Until the sweet and gentle seasons prime. But now, since no one is joyful long, and I see worth in giving die with time, I cannot help but take in hand a new verse for this cold cast land. For comfort will be to others there among, and it suits me well, since love goes so well for me, to have better solace for all company. My lady, wherever I turn my face, with you I stay and with you I go. And know that I praise you in your grace, far more than I know how to show. I know my worth grows better through the happy fortune that comes from you. And since it pleased you to do me such honor, the day you gave me with a kiss your love, for the rest, if it please you, take thought thereof. Love, you make me leap so high, for the joy I have I see nor hear nor know what I say or what I do not. 100 times I find when I think clear that I ought to have sense and measure. If I have them, then they last short leisure, for when I come back joy turns to error. But yet I know it's love's own manner that he who loves well has little sense. I will hardly know to choose my better part if I speak of her beautiful ways, for nothing but praise delights my heart, and to discern her great beauty's blaze. Nothing else makes me insecure, since she is so sweet, so fine, so pure. Great fear I have to assess her worth, and slanderers want my love's dearth, and we'll tell her of it soon with ire. So I should indeed serve them well, since I see that warring does me no good. For if I stand ill with those who tell, I could hardly enjoy love as I would. For her sake it is reason and measure that I serve every creature, even the enemy I must call Lord. For with gentle speech one conquers toward love the very worst, for those who wish good above. Love those who wish to slander you, are troublesome and disloyal too. And if they sing you down, what's that to me? They cannot worse their villainy. I know well by their talking art, they reign badly against nature's part. These have lost shame and fierce control, parted from God, all for love's sordid role. And I am mad if I contend with them more. VENTADORN will be hard-pressed without a singer, for the most courteous who knows most of love's core, taught me as much as I learn and bring her